my YouTube family, how are you? As I always say, I hope you're all doing great in your lives. Although I might not have done well today, so this morning I thought why not start my day off with a little creativity. I decided to make earrings from beautiful pink crystals. I thought I'd finish before heading to work, but I was wrong. I got so lost in my work that around 9:30 am I realized I was already late for my day job. All day at work, my mind wandered back to these beautiful crystals. All I could think about was getting back to my project. As soon as I was out of the office, I was super excited. I headed straight home. So here I am. This time I'm determined to finish these earrings. Sorry for this dim light. As you know, I always prefer daylight to shoot my videos. But it's 7 pm right now and it's not possible, so bear it with me. So this is the final look of my earrings. I love this pair. I'm so happy with how they turned out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more DIY projects. Stay creative. Bye bye until next video.